Hello everyone. If you find this video interesting, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank all of my subscribers for returning to see what is new here. Okay, so my approach to addressing the harshness of this window light coming in is to block it. I couldn't find a shade, any kind of shade that fits in between the door and that screen. Hello everyone, this is RVer Frank coming to you from Mount McKinley. Or I don't know, maybe that's Mount Whitney. I don't know, maybe someone from those locations can correct me. No, I'm not camped here. That is my window covering. I happen to be in storage at the present time, but when I look at this door, I can always feel like I'm on the road, boondocking at one of my favorite locations with a view of the mountains. So anyway, to be serious about this, that is my approach covering up that window and the harshness of the light. Now just a few tips on this. Again, I got this from Hobby Lobby. And it is a plastic, actually, so it's very durable to handling, and it's spray adhesive to that cardboard backing. And I use Goop around the edges at, let's see, at 2 on the side, the corners, and 1 at each end. And this Goop is like rubber cement. But anyway, I use it, and it's very easy to clean up, and I place that around there. Now what I wanted to ensure is that I didn't have a mess that I would see looking through the glass. As you can see, I guess you could put like some family faces waving goodbye to the passerby, but it's just a blank. So that's my approach. It was a little bit of effort, kind of tedious to cut those radius edges, but again, getting this poster material from Hobby Lobby enabled cleanup, and I use this Goop, so at any time I can pull that off of there, and I won't have a glue residue, because this stuff will just peel right off of there. Thanks for watching, and come back and see my next project.